introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Prathamesh Madhu, second year student of Masters in DICT. I've been doing my I did my bachelor's from LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, and my specialization is communication systems. But my work is in image processing, so a lot of mathematics and other stuffs.
Okay, so you are from a field of image processing,
Yeah,
which is a little different from the general stream and kind of things.
correct.
First of all,
Yeah.
what made you to join this workshop?
Well, when I heard about this workshop first, there was not a lot of publicity. I just heard from my sir, and he told that there's Excel being driven into mathematics. Well, I am a big fan of mathematics, so whenever these new kind of things in the field of math come, I'm very much interested. So as a result, when sir told that Excel and mathematics together, I thought let us try this out, and hence I joined this workshop.
Okay. What was your experience on the very first day?
First day we had a lot of introduction and the introductory sessions on mathematics, which as a student of a masters I should say I was knowing. So first day was okay for me, but it was necessary, much more needed for the second and the third day. So it was a build up for whatever was going to happen on the second and the third day. So yeah, it was at that time it was okay, but lately I have known that was much necessary.
So we can say that on the very first day after attending by the end of the day, you were like, okay, this is one another workshop.
Yeah, but
and kind of blah blah blah. So
Yeah, it
what
happens. It happens common normally with everyone, but patience is something which I had learned during my bachelor's. So I
Right.
kept the patience, and I again came on the second day,
Right.
and I'm happy by the end of the workshop that I learned many new things.
So you said that you're from the field of imaging,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How do you see that this workshop has it added something?
Yeah, definitely. Well, images which we work with common tools, which are MATLAB and R or Octave or other things, which are where we need to learn the framework and everything is bit trivial and you need to go through it the one and again. But here what we see is again it's the same visualization but in a standard Excel format, which is very simpler and lucid to use. So yes, the visualization part is common in both, but with Excel it seems simpler. So now maybe taking these modules, I might practice it on the images. Maybe I can try something out. Let's see.
So till now, when you didn't have this tool, I use the word this tool of new approach towards mathematics. Were you facing any hindrance in your regular
No,
work?
honestly speaking, no. I was not facing any hindrance, but since I love mathematics, so I know I used to, if I have faced an hindrance, I used to solve it. Till now, I did not face an hindrance, but yeah, this might add something to my knowledge and it might help me get more and more towards the society, reach towards the society. Might add as well, yeah.
So at the end of this 3 day,
Yeah.
like if you need to just summarize the whole of these 3 days.
So I came here with some X and I have added some delta X which would be very useful for my later future. That is what I would say in mathematical style.
That's good. That's good. Thanks a lot. For it.
Thank you so much.